In this video, we will talk about what is Splunk, the usage of Splunk, and why Splunk. So what is Splunk? It is a data to everything platform. You have some data, you want to do something useful out of it, Splunk is for you. It is basically a software that lets you collect and index any kind of data. The data can be structured as well as unstructured. You can further perform any kind of operations on the indexed data like logical searching and monitoring. You can create dashboards, reports, and alerts out of the data. These dashboards, reports, and alerts give you useful and meaningful insights out of your data. So to summarize Splunk, you can say Splunk is a tool in which you can put data and you can do n number of things out of that data. So what is the usage of Splunk? Splunk is used in the different domains such as IT operations, security, monitoring, reporting, and anywhere else where there is some machine data. There are different forms of machine data. So the machine data includes unstructured or structured data such as files, databases, web collects, and logs. So all the different domains generate this data. So we collect that data and put that data into Splunk. So Splunk index that data and then we can do n number of things out of that data, such as searching and extraction, visualizing the data, we can get insightful reporting out of it, we can perform actions and alerting, and customly you can do a lot of different things with that data. Splunk gives you numerous options. So why Splunk? So there are a lot of different monitoring tools available in the market, but why to choose Splunk over them? It is useful for all those who want to get the most out of the data. So many businesses turn their data into useful insights that let them save time and gain more productivity and profits. There is a huge active community to support. So whenever you get stuck with Splunk, you can always search online. There is a huge community that is there to support you. Splunk is highly customizable as per the requirements. There are numerous apps and add-ons to extend the basic features of Splunk, its usage, and also the applications. 91 out of the Fortune 100 trusted. So it is a very trusted tool worldwide. So that was a quick introduction of Splunk. We will know more about Splunk in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.